In this video, we're going to look at co-interior angles or C angles within parallel lines. So if you have a pair of parallel lines and you can make a C like I'm doing here, so the angles inside that C, so in this case the W and the 108, will always add up to 180. So to find W, what we're saying is that W plus 108 will equal 180. So to solve that, I can just take 108 away from both sides, and I'm going to get that W is going to be equal to 72 degrees. Okay. So looking at the second example, using my C, there's my C there, so that I know that S is going to be 180 take away 49. So if that's the case, then S is going to be 131 degrees. And T, because I have a straight line between S and T, that means that T is 180 take away 131, which if you do that, you get 49 degrees. You may be thinking that's the same as the 49 degrees at the start. Well, that should be true because I can draw an F between T and S because they're corresponding angles. Now, moving on to the last one here. We've got three parallel lines. So 84 and D, can you see there that I can create a C? So that means that to work out D, that's going to be 180 minus 84. So that is 96 degrees is D. And then around this point here, around that point there, we have three angles. And angles around a point should add up to 360 degrees. So to work out E, we're going to do 360, take away 207, take away 96. And if we do that, the answer is 57 degrees. So E is 57 degrees.